Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add an admin to a Facebook group. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about Facebook group admins, check out our more detailed blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 where we also share some related information that we are not going to mention in this video. You can also find hundreds of tutorials there on social media and Facebook group marketing for absolutely free. One more thing before the tutorial: if you want to grow your Facebook group, get more organic reach without running ads, then check out our Facebook group growth checklist that you can download from our website 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, and now it's completely free. Links to the 38-point checklist in the description below. Alright, so to add an admin to a Facebook group, all you have to do is open up the Facebook group. This test Facebook group is a public group, so in this case you have to click on the People tab. If you have a private group, then you have to click on the Members tab. We click on the People tab in this case, and then here you can see all the members of the Facebook group. This is a test Facebook group, so we don't really have any members. And then all you have to do is select or search for the member that you want to add as an admin. Of course, the person or the Facebook page has to be the member of the Facebook group. Then once you have found the person you want to add as an admin, all you have to do is click on these three dots and then select Add as Admin. In this case, I invite this Facebook page, but keep in mind that if they accept the invitation, they are going to be able to remove you as a Facebook group admin from a Facebook group. So only add invitation to people who you really trust, because then they could potentially remove you from the Facebook group. Alright, but if you're okay with this person or this Facebook page, then you can just have to click on Send Invite here. Before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Facebook group growth checklist, so you can get 38 checkpoints we use to 10x the number of members in a Facebook group. We are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking on the link in the description below, or search in Google for 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 and add Facebook group growth checklist. Also, if you want to know more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook group, make sure to check out our Facebook group marketing tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see in the screen here. See you next time.